Struggling with how to pass the PSI electrical exam? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you ace it and boost your chances of success. Start with a solid study plan. Create a detailed study plan that breaks down the exam content into manageable sections. Allocate specific times for each topic and stick to your schedule. Consistent study sessions will reinforce your understanding and help you retain information better. Understand the exam format. Familiarize yourself with the PSI electrical exam format. Know the number of questions, types of questions, multiple choice, true/false, and the time allotted. This will help you pace yourself and manage your time effectively. During the test, use reliable study materials. Invest in high-quality study materials and resources. Books, online courses, and practice tests specifically designed for the PSI exam will give you a clear understanding of what to expect and the types of questions you'll encounter. Take practice exams. Practice exams are invaluable. They not only test your knowledge, but also help you get used to the exam format. Take these practice tests under time conditions to simulate the real exam environment. Review your answers and understand any mistakes to improve. Focus on core topics. Ensure you have a strong grasp of core topics such as electrical theory, code calculations, and safety practices. Review these areas thoroughly, as they are often heavily tested. Use flashcards, diagrams, and summary notes to reinforce key concepts. Stay calm and confident. On exam day, stay calm and confident. Make sure you get a good night's sleep before the test. During the exam, read each question carefully, manage your time well, and don't let challenging questions derail your focus. Review and revise. Regularly review what you've learned and revise challenging topics. Short, frequent review sessions are more effective than long, infrequent ones. For more tips and resources to prepare effectively for your PSI electrical exam, visit our website. We offer detailed guides and practice materials to help you succeed.